Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. Look at this little credit card thing. This is an AI voice recorder. So that's pretty cool. It's tiny, it's small. You can store it in your wallet when you want to use it, or it comes with its own little wallet device here. You can just stick it in there, and that would actually magnetize on the back of a MagSafe phone. And then you can use it individually. You push the button there, you see it says record. You can record it that way, or on the device itself. If you're on the phone, you can just do start recording, and it will start recording. And I think, yep, it's recording now. So you can see even on there, it says it's recording. And if it talks really loud, oh, I guess it's just that picture on there just kind of, well, it went away now. Just kind of shows for a second, just to show that it's recording. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and stop it on here or on here. Either place, I think, pushing it there, it vibrates to let me know. I have a second one here now, so now I have it.
It's recording now, so you can see even on there, it says
So
it's recording.
you can see there, whoops. And I can hit.
If it talks really loud, oh, I guess it's just that
I
picture
can
on
say,
there, just kind of
I can say summary. I can say, give me my meeting minutes, and it will generate. Okay, got it. Okay, so summary of this, generate, and it'll generate an AI synopsis of whatever happened in the, in the recording. My recording was kind of dumb, so I don't even know what it's going to come up with. But you get the idea. You could bring this to a class, school or something like that, and it'll just sit there and just record in the class. And then at the end of the class, you can go ahead and give it, say, give me the summary, and it will give you the summary. I think it has to upload it and stuff. I don't even, oh yeah, see, so it says time and date, the minutes the device is recording. It really doesn't have a whole lot on here for me because it just says the speaker noticed a loud sound reaction, but concluded it was the picture indicator, So, but you get the idea. It will give you a synopsis of what you've done. Oops. So very cool little device here, and the app was super simple to install. It just installed, and then when I opened it, it just connected right to it as long as this was turned on. So super simple to do. So if you need a recording device that's tiny, you can take it anywhere and record anything. This is really cool. So I like it. Thumbs up.